Welcome guys, Creambot back again with another reaction video. Today we're gonna check out Wiley, Eediyat, Skengman Part 3. Isn't it? So the ongoing battle still continues. Wiley dropped Part 3 of Skengman, and we're gonna check this out. We don't know if Stormzy gonna drop his own tomorrow or whenever, but we're gonna listen to this one and see if it fire or not. So let's begin now.
Mumsy, what's that about? Oi, Chewbacca, what you chatting about? Come and see my vibe, there's no crack about. I get the rhythm, hit the booth, then I crack 'em out. Man, I got the BFG tapping out. Ding ding, round 3, let me catch 'em out. I see your pop fans thinking that I'm backing out. I get the whip that I want, then I black it.
Alright, I come on hard for the one that the rhythm I come out fast. Lyrics just spit hard.
Don't care what you like. Tell me what you don't like, man, do it more. You weren't on the road when Dizzy made I Love You back, then you must have been about 4. Heads to the clouds, got my feet on the floor, I'm helping you now.
Wait, busy? What's busy matter about? Which busy that? Which busy that? Which busy?
Made I Love You back, then you must have been about 4. Heads to the clouds, got my feet on the floor, I'm helping you now sell tickets for the tour. Well, you wanna be the rich black kid until we go pop, then the pop drops us on the floor. But hold on, bro, let me say this. Nobody cares if you got all your songs on the playlist. The music shit, we don't play this. You ran into drill, you can't face this. I tell you, suck your mum, cause I'm tasteless. You can fight for words and get hurt. Every single man who defends their mum gets murked. Eediyat, I know the 3 words hurt. I set the time limits, kill you with gram limits. Won't draw for the heady one, ain't my lyrics. Said the Kano thing was quite cool, but you ain't even written any dying to survive lyrics. I've been killing you in the game with all my lyrics. Got the bullet bars, ain't trying lyrics. Fire lyrics, can't retire lyrics. Got the clamour on the road, black tie lyrics. Come alive when it's drama. Jump at a man and disarm you. Ed got you in the room with Jay-Z, but you came back with that bullshit after. Then I said, take who back to where? Because this whole campaign I see is here. We don't really like it, but we gotta care. It's Stormzy. No, that's when the weather gets stormy. About slap, you must be mad to murk any sound where you know like that.
Yeah.
But you man are acting on tracks. My mum's in London, that's facts. I ain't gotta go and get her back. Mikey, I don't smoke crack. You got all this Adidas stuff, but Mike, you make it look crap. Yo, you ain't had a real battle yet, it's your first one. I'm a dad and a merc, that's how I teach son. Teach one, and I can reach one. We get results like you, and that's a peak one. I'm a straight from the street one, man, a real one, broski, anywhere I meet one. I'ma share some money, I'ma keep some. I'm a strong one, brother, not a weak one. Got you sweating like a pig. You don't like when I start snatching off wings and wigs. Got the weed in your hand. The last time I saw you, blood, you weren't blazing shit. Don't front, it's an act. Before the weed you're smoking puts you on your back. BFG and the GOG, got the whole world looking at a grand class act. Respect my pen. Bars in your face like pen. Box in your face like Ken. From way back when I've been a madman, chatting back way back when. So respect my pen. Bars in your face like pen. Box in your face like Ken. From way back when I've been a madman, chatting back way back. More action and love all that. Man get rich, think they're bubble that. And when the system switch, you come running back. I'm gonna score touchdowns whether you play me QB, wide receiver or running back. Been away for a minute, but I'm coming back. I know you love the charts, but I've done all that. Now I'm back on the street, they know we run all that.
Yeah.
Like Rick Bobby. What about 9 bar Bobby? Flower pop men like Billy and Bobby. I'm a build up just like Bob. Like Rick Bobby. What about 9 bar Bobby? Flower pop men like Billy and Bobby. I'm a build up just like Bob.
Yo, not gonna lie. This one was fire as hell, bro. Big one thing. Eediyat Skengman Part 3, sickest up to date. It's like the man just go hard for now, bro. Like just full speed. Full speed, bro. Man say mother, alright. Man say mother, they're London. So I don't know what you're talking about. You see me? Okay, I have to go and snap some wig and be a thing. Man say Stormzy get look of hype. Top the chart, but he already do that already. So everything Stormzy do, Wiley already achieve in days coming up. So nothing new to him, you see me? Nothing can frighten him. Basically that's too much I say, you see me? But yeah, more I see where Stormzy gonna drop for the 1 year. Big one thing. If we could come look a bit harder because Wiley turn up him thing, you see me? So anyway, in the revision video. Peace out.